Alan, I don't have time to make content. I'm told this every day by clients, by people whinging in my comment section. If you've got time to walk somewhere, you've got time to make content. Come on, let's go somewhere. Now, one of my ultimate pet peeves is people complaining they're not growing, people complaining that they can't upload content. And I go to their channel and they've done one video this month or one video this week. I'm uploading content, Alan, but I don't seem to be able to grow. You're not growing because you're not putting out content. There's no excuse. No excuse at all. If you wake up in the morning, if you wake up half hour earlier, there's some videos. If you wake up in the morning and you go to the gym, vlog on the way to the gym. One of my good friends called Simon Scholes. Actually, he runs a business. He's a fitness person. He goes to the gym. He vlogs every day. Now, yes, it might not be polished. Yes, it might not be perfect. Yes, it might not be in a studio, but I'm walking through a woodland and I'm vlogging. I do not understand why people just don't get the knack of it. Yes, this may be a little bit shakier than normal, but I'm making content. I'm wandering around in places and I'm making content. You can still make videos. How do you get to work? Do you walk? Do you stroll? Do you drive? Do you park up? Do you get there early? I've truly never understood the excuse of I just can't make content. I just don't have the time. If you walk to work, if you sat there at lunch, you can make content. Did you watch a TV show last night? You can talk about it. I'm walking off to go and pick up my stepdaughter. I'm making this content. I'm entertaining you, I'm educating you. You could just give tips in between your exercises. You could just give tips whilst you're at traffic lights. You could just have tips whilst you're picking up your Subway or your KFC. Yes, but Alan, it doesn't look right. The content looks weird. You're putting out content, that's all that YouTube cares about. As long as there is a video for people to watch, that's all YouTube cares about. As long as you are hitting a topic that someone wants to watch, that's all that YouTube cares about. But Alan, normally I have a YouTube studio. Normally it's the same kind of setup. Normally it looks professional. And most viral videos are in this format. They're just people talking to a camera in which it looks more human, it looks more natural, it looks like they're going to get run over walking up a road. As long as you don't mind looking like an idiot, it doesn't matter. And if you're only focusing on making content, it doesn't matter. Now, to prove this point, I've gone on a walk on roads that I just don't know, right? I've got lost and yeah, the video's a bit shaky, but I'm teaching you something. I'm telling you, there's no excuse. This is an iPhone. Any smartphone will work. It doesn't matter. As long as they can hear you, as long as you're delivering a message, it doesn't matter where you are. Get out there, stop making excuses, go out there, start creating. I've just missed my bus. Looks like I've got another 20 minutes to vlog somewhere. If you have time to wait for a bus, you have time to say something on a camera. There's no excuses really. What's your excuse?